So this is a tiny tent for tonight. I'm going to washroom.
First time?
Yeah.
This is a toilet.
Start point to base camp, that is 4-kilometer trek on the day 1, and next.
Almost there. Almost there. Welcome back to Unfiltered Stories. Now we are on the way to Pantwari, where our trek to Nagtiba will begin. This stream of water you can see here joins the Yamuna river. So Pantwari is around 92 kilometers from Dehradun and 50 kilometers from Mussoorie. There are very few buses from Dehradun to Pantwari. Best way is to travel is either from rented car or through a shared tempo traveler.
Pantwari. From here our trek begins. We kept all our luggages inside our clock room, and they said we can eat something light and freshen up before we start our trek, charge our devices, because on top there's no power. I'm really excited this time because it's my first trek. It's a first trek for everyone in our group.
There are two hotels here. One is Bandari Guest House Restaurant, where you can freshen up. We're going to get freshen up, go to washrooms, finish our businesses and eat something light. Then our trek will start in 15 minutes.
After reaching to Pantwari, there is a registration point where you can register your name and some details before you start your trek. So they will assign a guide for you, and then you can rent out the sticks also from here only, so you need not buy a new stick for yourself. They have told us there is no light on top, so you better charge your phone, everything over here only.
So this is the starting of the trek. We saw a few mules taking some luggages. It looks very steep. So far so good. Let's cover some distance. How's that, Josh? Hi.
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 I'm very high.
How many kilometers did we come?
We came around 2 kilometers already.
He has a watch. He has a watch which tells you how much elevation you have covered.
We have covered around 1.2 kilometers.
Seriously?
Yeah.
1.2 kilometers. Let's go. We are just maybe 500 meters from base camp, and it's so windy.
And it's getting cold.
Yeah, it's getting cold, and you get this
Fruit juice.
fruit. No, it's not fruit juice.
Flower juice.
It's a juice made from flower. Prawns. So you get. He said when you go further, you will find the flower. These flowers, red flowers. From that, these juice is made. It's tasty, and they add a little bit of sugar for it. We have arrived at our base camp. It was around 3 hours of walk. It was a steep climb. Few people were very tired, but for us it was okay.
So they served us with a hot lunch which had yellow dal, rice and some pickle. The food was really good, very light, nutritious, healthy and nice, comfort food.
So we have been given 3 tents. This is the tents for girls, 3 girls.
So this is a tiny tent for tonight where 3 of us will be sleeping.
How is it?
It's cozy and nice.
Cozy for 3 people. Lay down. Maybe this way you have to lay down, I guess.
Like this, no?
No, this.
Like that. This is not possible. The thing is stuck there.
ये टास्क ये 3 लोग कर पाएंगे? देखते रहिए. This is mine and Aman's tent. So this is where we are staying. I don't know how 2 people will sleep here. This much is available for 2 people.
I'm going to washroom.
First time?
Yeah.
This is a toilet they provide. So it's just nothing but a chair. You do your business, and once you're done, you put some soil and then you move on. There are a lot of tissue papers you can use. That's simple as that. So now we are finished with our snacks. It was delicious, and now we are going to see a sunset just 500 meters from base camp. So the juice we drank that time was of this flower, and there's a tree. I got cold. We are here watching sunset in Golden Arch. Such a beautiful evening.
The sky is completely orange. I don't think any camera can do justice or capture this moment, because what we are witnessing right now, it is beyond imagination. Sunset on the mountain.
It was a spectacular view. We could see all shades of red, violet, etc. The sun disappeared behind the mountains. With the sunset came a chilled breeze. It was very cold at night, but the stars twinkled in the night sky, and this is what we saw. Good morning, we just got up. I got up a few minutes ago, and now most of them are getting up, and it's 2:30. So cold, it's freaking cold out here. I could not even wash my face. I just brushed. Now it's dark outside. I don't know how I'll vlog, and there is no light. We forgot to get our torch. I'm excited. I'm up. I'm kind of hungry. Let's go. We ate Maggie and started our trek. It was a race against time since we wanted to reach there before sunrise, and it was dark, so we could not shoot anything. Halfway on the trek. Look at her. She's dead tired. It's around 5 o'clock. But to summarize, it was very difficult to climb in the dark and cold, and here we are, still climbing and exhausted. Come on, come on. Let's go, come. Come on. We are almost about to summit, and they said it was a beginner's trek, but I think otherwise it's a difficult beginner's trek, I can say, because for me it's okay, still I could manage, but as you can see there's no I should be there behind, so yeah, it is a little difficult if you are not used to walking, climbing. It's going to be very difficult. Almost there. Almost there. Finally made it to the summit. We finally made it to the
summit. It's 10,000 feet above sea level.
We finally made it to Nagtiba summit. and it's at 10,000 feet above sea level, and it's freezing cold. It is one of the highest peak
in lesser Himalayan ranges.
ranges.
It was really tiring for me, especially for me. In many points I wanted to give up, but then those ranges which I could see from far, it motivated me to climb.
You can see Kedarnath range
Gangotri.
and Bandarbuch range. It's so beautiful, it's so beautiful. Thank God and thank us. Thank each other that we made it here. It's worth it, the view is really worth it, but the trek is definitely difficult one,
We started descending, and now you can see what we have climbed through since we could not shoot in the dark.
Getting down is not easier. I did not realize I had descended only 2 kilometers from the summit to reach Nagtiba temple. So we still have 4 kilometers to our base camp. Basically this trek is divided into two parts. First part is from the start point to base camp, that is 4 kilometer trek on the day 1, and next is again 7 kilometer trek on the day 2. So the 7 kilometer trek is from base camp to summit. After that the most difficult part comes, that is the second day, that is descending. That is, first part is from summit to Nagtiba temple, that is 2 kilometers. Then from Nagtiba temple to base camp 4 kilometers. Then from the base camp to the start point again 4 kilometers. So we had total of 17 kilometers to be covered today.
Yeah! Since this was our first ever trek, all of us in our group were very tired and we had a very bad shoe bite. So once you reach base camp, you have to get down 2 more kilometers, and if you are lucky, you will get a vehicle from there. So we took that vehicle. So we are traveling from midway of truck to Pantwari, and see the fresh landslide. Fresh, very fresh. It was not there when he came.
Poor ya fresh.
We are back from the trek and we are waiting for a cab to go to Mussoorie. We are dead tired. Everyone is dead tired. Even our shoes are so dirty. Even our camera bags are so dirty. And I'm having a slight headache. I think Kaish is fine.
Knee pain.
I think everyone has leg pain.
Our trek included transportation from and to Dehradun and 1 night stay in base camp with sleeping bags. It also included 2 lunch, dinner, breakfast and snacks. It costed us 2,700 rupees and it was worth it, but wear a good trekking shoes. Do not wear boots. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And in next video, we will be in Mussoorie and we got a killer deal for this 4 BHK villa. Don't forget to hit the notification icon so you don't miss the next video. Take care, bye bye.